Hello, if you follow some artists on Spotify and you wish to know if something new has been added by them on Spotify, here's how you can do this on PC on the app. So all you have to do is find this icon over here, this bell. If you hover over it, you will see that it says what's new. Let's click on it. And here you will see the list of all recently added music, podcasts, albums, etc. by your artist that you follow. And in order to check if you follow someone or not, you can go to their profile. And then you should see this button that will say follow or following. If you have following, then of course this means that you already follow this artist, and whenever something new is added on Spotify by this artist, you will see once again on this list. If you don't follow an artist, let's say I'm gonna switch to this artist, let's say this group, then you will see that there is follow button. So if you click on it, you will start following. And then whenever something new will pop up, you will see this in this list. And furthermore, if there is anything new, then there will be like a blue circle next to this icon. Then you will know that something new has been uploaded recently. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.